Good morning, students. Welcome to GM Primary Schools. Today, we are going to understand about Chapter 16 phrases from Standard 7th. I hope all you are safe at your home and using all the precautions to stay safe from COVID-19. So, let us move to the few sentences to read before we start the chapter. Read this sentence. The man in the white shirt is my uncle. We took a shortcut through a lane. The earthen pot is made up of clay. So, students, the words in the bold letters are phrases. We know that phrases in a group of words that make sense but not a complete sense. It is usually part of a large sentence. When we write, a phrase does not have a verb. Adverb phrases. This is a one type of phrase. I saw Akash only 2 days ago. After a lot of thoughts, they came up with a solution. The word in bolds are adverb phrases. An adverb phrase does the work of adverb in the sentence. It makes an adverb along with the other words like preposition, nouns, verb, modifier that together do the work of an adverb. It gives us information how, when, where, how often and what reason, to what degree an action take place. Now students, we have here adjective phrases. Prem often helped people in trouble. Prem was a person with great sense of humor. So these are adjective phrases. The words in bold letters are the adjective phrases. An adjective phrase does the work of an adjective in a sentence. It contains an adjective and any other modifier that may be modifying a nouns or pronouns. Adjective phrases may use prepositions or ing participles to perform the work of an adjective. The boy riding the bicycles look familiar with ing participles. You can say riding. The cat with a collar belongs to my neighbor with a preposition. We use adjective phrases beginnings with prepositions after noun to give more information about the noun. So, we use adjective phrases with a preposition after a noun to give more information about the noun. Adjective phrases can be placed immediately before and after the nouns they describes. So, here we go. Very well organized before the noun. Extremely difficult before the noun. Man covered in a sweat after the noun. So these are the three types of that we keep about the adjective phrases. Now let's move to the another part, that is noun phrases. The rising sun looks beautiful. So you can see the rising suns look very beautiful. Indu and friend visited the historic cathedral. The word in the bold letters are noun phrases. We know that noun refers to a person, place, object, things, concepts or an event. A noun phrase is a phrase that does the work of a noun. It may contain single noun or a pronouns, or it may have a nouns along with the modifiers. The woman looked very elegant. Noun phrases with a noun and a modifier. The dense forest was a home to many animals. Noun phrases with a noun and a modifier. Prepositional phrases. The necklace in the shop window was stunning. We met some people from Germany. The word in bold is a prepositional phrases. The prepositional phrases begin with a preposition and it followed by a nouns and a nouns phrases. It functions either as adjectives or an adverb. So here are the two different things. There are two different types how in a adjective phrases modifying peoples and adverb phrases modifying started. We met some people from Germany. So you can see that adjective phrases modifying people. The movement started from Germany. The adverb phrases modifying started. Verb phrases. We would have come if there was more time. He will be waiting for you at the theater. The word in bolders are verb. The verb phrases does the work of verb in a sentence. It consists of a main verb and the other words like modal, auxiliary verbs that helps to main verb. The main verb usually comes at the end of the verb phrase. So, students, please note down each and every point that from this chapter. The first point is the phrases, adverb phrases, adjective phrases, nouns phrases, prepositional phrases, and verb phrases. Please note down all the definition and the rules of this in your fair book. It will help you to make all the types of sentence and solve each and every sentence from your workbook. Thank you, students. If any doubt, will be resolving at school reopens.